Bill Morris could probably blow as large of single object as anyone who could blow glass, and yet it just wasn't large enough. And so out of that came the combination of these objects to create large-scale installation works.
When I look at it now, I think, my God, what an ambitious thing to do. But I don't know. I mean, it just sort of, it had, like anything that we've done, it kind of had a life of its own. And it just sort of grew. One tusk at a time, you know, and like I said, the idea sort of evolved as it did.
This is a fairly early piece when there was a bit more of those polished surfaces. He in particular tends to deny the beauty of the glass, so people aren't attracted to it for that reason.